The OnePlus 12 is a flagship smartphone that delivers excellent performance, a refreshed camera setup, and a premium design, making it a compelling option in the premium smartphone market. Here's an in-depth review. Features a premium glass and aluminum build with Gorilla Glass protection. A sleek circular design on the back integrates the powerful camera setup. Despite its size, it remains slim and comfortable to hold. A 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO 3.0 display with adaptive 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rates ensures smooth visuals and battery efficiency. With up to 2600 nits of peak brightness, the screen offers excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. Quad HD Plus resolution, 3200 by 1440, ensures stunning detail for gaming, videos, and general use. 50MP Sony LYT-808 main sensor offers excellent low-light performance and dynamic range. 48MP ultra-wide with a wider aperture, it delivers sharp, detailed shots. 64MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom enhances portrait and zoom photography, though it's not on par with 5x zoom periscopes on competitors like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Features a 32MP sensor for high-quality selfies and video calls. The upgraded AI-driven HDR algorithm ensures balanced and natural photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Night mode performance is notably improved. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering top-tier speed and efficiency. It's ideal for multitasking, gaming, and high-performance apps. Configurations include 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample storage for heavy users. A massive 5400 mAh battery ensures all-day usage. The OnePlus 12 houses a larger-than-usual battery for a flagship device, providing excellent endurance for heavy users. It easily lasts a full day of use, even with demanding tasks like gaming or streaming. Support 100W wired charging. The OnePlus 12 supports rapid charging, capable of recharging the battery from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. This makes it ideal for users who need quick top-ups during the day. And 50W wireless charging. The wireless charging speed remains one of the fastest in the industry, allowing for a full recharge in approximately 50 minutes, depending on conditions. Runs Oxygen OS 14, based on Android 14, offering a clean and fluid user experience. OnePlus also commits to extended software updates, enhancing its long-term value. Pros: exceptional display quality. Top-tier performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Improved camera system, especially in low light. Fast wired and wireless charging. Premium build quality. Cons: telephoto zoom lags behind competitors. Lacks an official IP68 water/dust resistance rating. Conclusion: the OnePlus 12 stands out as a well-rounded flagship with significant upgrades in performance, display, and camera quality. While not perfect, it delivers excellent value for its price, making it a strong contender in 2024's competitive premium smartphone market.